The week that was.
Right from the start, Daniel and Jade were on a mission.
We wanted an island bench that hasn't been seen or done before.
But when they showed the plan to the agent, he'd seen something similar.
Looked like a penis at the end to me.
OK, let's do this.
Back to the drawing board.
We'd taken a massive kitchen, chucked it away and then replaced it into a brand new setting on the other side of the house.
And it was smiles all round. Then they got a master craftsman on board to design the island bench, but they couldn't pay him.
It's $4,000 over.
So they pitched it as their game changer, to which I said, tick, approved, and their luck did a U-turn. Then everything was sunshine and rainbows. Well, almost.
Oh, lights do my head in every single time.
Until finally...
Christian girl bench. It's come up better than I could have ever imagined it would. Absolutely incredible.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Can you have two monoliths in one day?
If Hero Island benches are a thing, then you certainly delivered one too. And then some.
God, that is beyond a work of art. Look at the curve here. Then it comes around, opens up, it curves under there. It's stunning.
How beautiful is that, they said.
And also, let's not forget we are in the 1930s house. That is a beautiful nod to the Deco era. It's got that beautiful quality of the rounded edges that just reminds me of the architecture of that time.
And the way the joinery's been fluted, it's a work of art.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
And this is solid timber. This is solid. Oh, there's a whiskey cabinet. Wow, that's very 30s, isn't it?
Great idea, the whiskey cabinet. I'd love one of those in my kitchen.
Good idea. It's
I
a
like
good
the
idea.
idea of that.
This is the quality of a piece of art. It's like an heirloom. This will stand a lifetime.
And incredibly functional too as a dining space.
You can really sit 5 people comfortably and converse all together.
Yep.
That's really, really clever.
These kitchens today are really telling us what the personality of the house is. There's something about the circular dining table that really brings people together.
Darren was not, however, as sold on the lighting above it.
These 3 here overstep it for me. I would rather have seen downlights and then that as sort of an anchor point to the dining space. This is a bit much.
The only detail missing for Darren is, once again, not enough PowerPoints.
We've got no PowerPoints here.
Oh, what?
Oh, really?
You only have one double there and one double there in this big kitchen.
What they all did love is the colour choice of all the cabinetry and handles.
Also a new colour shader. This is Kinsman's Oyster Grey. And this is called champagne. So we've got oysters and champagne.
Oh,
How appropriate.
I am sold!
Seemed very appropriate for a luxury kitchen. Darren believes that kitchens are all about the details.
The cabinets finish just above the windows. That's the height that they're supposed to be at. It's how they've finished the detail above this cabinetry and it runs all the way along underneath the gyprock. Detail on detail on detail that I think that they've got really, really right.
Shona did think the single oven in the kitchen may be a bit light on, but was pleasantly rewarded on entering the butler's pantry.
We have the ovens. This is sensational.
You've got a warming drawer, oven. Is that the microwave too?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like there's a whole other kitchen.
I think it's really nice that they've broken up the ovens here and the ovens there so that you can actually do 2 sets of cooking.
This has gone way beyond just butler's pantry. This is a butler's kitchen.
See this here? Made with love. They had a challenge this week of pottery, and look,
Get out of here.
they made that.
All three judges loved your pottery. A well-deserved challenge win. And where there was a PowerPoint missing in the main kitchen, there's plenty of them in here.
Clearly, they've made the decision to put all the functionality in here.
Best of the butlers they'd seen so far today.
It's a very well thought through family kitchen, but I also feel that this kitchen is perfect for a really passionate cook and entertainer.
And as always, your execution is right up there with your usual attention to detail. That's it.
The feedback is just next level amazing. We are just stoked.